Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Sherry from Cherry Beauty Step. Hello everyone, I hope you're fine, you're good and healthy. And for today, we'll do a pink eye look using Huda Beauty Rose Gold Palette Remastered. I think there's a Rose Gold Palette before this one, but this one is the remastered one. So look at this one. Look at this palette. It's so beautiful. So yeah, I'm gonna use the pink shadow today, and of course I already have my foundation already because I don't want this video so long. So let's do it. So I grab a clean brush and I'm just gonna blend that the edges. Okay, we're just gonna put the doll face on the above. Just here, and you can put it here. You just blend it on the top of it. Just blend all the way to the inner corner. And grab a clean brushes again. This is clean, it looks blue, but yeah, this is clean. This eye look is gonna have a lot of blending, so just be patient. So we just blend. Like I said, this is clean brush. We're just gonna blend the edges of the doll face. And if you are not satisfied, just go back to the first shadow, which is the rescue or I don't know. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just like pack them and then blend and pack them again if I'm not satisfied. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. If you are satisfied, then let's proceed to the any pigment primer you have. I have the NYX, and this is the only one I have. So I just put them in my hand, and it's like you're doing cut crease. By the way, if you want me to do just cut crease alone tutorials, let me know in the comment section. So okay, I already put the pigment, and I'm gonna put the pink diamond now, and be careful with this because it's just easily go all over your face. So I think pigment is necessary for this glitters. And if you are not satisfied, you can use your finger to put the pink diamond because it feels like I need more pigment. And that's it. Let me do the other eye and I'll be back. And that's it. It's a wrap. Yay! We are done with our pink eyeshadow for Valentine's Day look. And I will try to do different colors And let me know down below what you think of my Easy Look Huda Rose Gold Palette Matte Remastered. And yeah, thank you for watching, guys. And always remember that there's always someone who loves